Why green tea for skin?
Green tea is celebrated not only as a healthy drink, but also for its benefits to skin. Rich in antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory compounds, it can help soothe irritated or inflamed skin. Whether you sip it or use it in skincare, research suggests green tea may play a role in reducing redness, swelling, and breakouts for clearer, calmer skin.
How does green tea soothe inflammation?
Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. These natural compounds fight free radicals and calm inflammation in the body and skin. When applied topically or consumed regularly, green tea may help limit the processes that lead to redness and irritation, giving your skin a healthier, more balanced appearance.
Green tea and acne. What science says.
Multiple studies suggest that green tea can help manage acne. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce excess oil production and calm the swelling, often linked to breakouts. Whether you drink green tea daily or apply it with creams or masks, it can work alongside other skincare routines to fight pimples and support clearer skin.
How to use green tea for skin.
To experience the benefits, try drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day for overall wellness. For topical use, look for creams, gels, or masks containing green tea extract. You can also apply cooled green tea directly to your skin with a cotton pad. Always test new products on a small patch of skin first to avoid irritation.
Precautions and final thoughts.
While green tea is gentle for most, some people may be sensitive to it on their skin. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. Green tea is not a cure-all, but it can complement a balanced skincare and wellness routine. Combining green tea with a healthy diet, proper hydration, and good sleep can help keep your skin calm and vibrant.